This quick honest review is of the Invisalign Cleaning Crystals. Let me show you. If you wear retainers, the Invisalign, like Invisalign, or there's obviously a number of other brands out there as well, you want to keep those retainers clean. And one of the best ways to do it is using a daily cleaner, like the one that Invisalign does, for cleaning the aligners and retainers. This particular type just comes in a 10.6 ounce, 300 gram plastic bottle with all the crystals in there. All you do is you just take it off, and in the container that you'll use to put your aligners in, you just pour some in there, put your aligners in, add the hot water, put the top on, and then shake for 15 seconds and leave for 15 minutes. It does have all the instructions on the container. It's got all the directions here. I'll just put there, container, fill water, soak for 15 minutes, rinse your aligners. This stuff works very, very well. The retainers that I have, that I just put in at night, they are like spotlessly clean. It's just crazy. I've had them for a couple of years and they look brand new. So I can highly recommend this product. It says a fresh mint. That I don't really know. It does say fresh mint, but you don't really notice any taste or anything. Well, I certainly haven't. But it does work very, very well. They say this particular one gives you about 60 cleans, so it's good for a couple of months. The only downside that I found is you've literally just got this open container there that you open, and you've got to, when I was doing there, just pouring it in, you've got to guess really how much to use. This is a little bit, because you're getting 60, this is a little bit more cost effective than Invisalign does another product. I have it here one side. This is the cleaning crystals in packets. These come in individual packets, and it's got you just tear it off, same stuff, and pour it in there. But this gives you it's pre-measured for you, which is certainly a lot more convenient and accurate. So even though you're saving 10 cleans with this one, it's a little more difficult to get the right amount going in there, is what I find. They both work very, very well. It's an excellent product. It's outstanding. Price point. On Amazon, one-off purchase, they sell for around about $40. Check out the subscribe and save. You can really save a lot of money with the subscribe and save. At the moment, it looks like they're around about $34 for subscribe and save. So nice discount there, around about 15% discount if you use the subscribe and save. So it is a highly recommended product. It works very, very well. So the only downside really is just determining how much to put in there. And look, you are going to get, after a little bit of time, you will get the hang of it and you'll figure out exactly how much to use. What you might want to do as well, if you want, buy a pack of the sachet ones. I'm going to do a separate video for that, and then you can see exactly how much to put in. It's measured for you, and you can sort of eyeball it that way. But otherwise, excellent product from Invisalign. It's the Invisalign Cleaning Crystals. Thanks for watching Quick Honest Reviews.